We are here on site of DK Recycling and Roheisen GmbH, the world's leading recycling company for ferrous raw materials and European market leader for foundry pig iron. My name is Alexander Smith. I am project manager for Dominion Deutschland GmbH and responsible for the revamping of the Blast Furnace 3 at DK Recycling and Roheisen. We offer our customers services ranging from engineering, maintenance, and repair to the turnkey construction of new plants. The scope of work for this project was the time scheduling to fulfill the timely implementation, the engineering, the material procurement, as well as the dismantling and erection. Our first step was to cut an opening into the shell of the blast furnace and to break through the refractory in this area to evacuate the burden. Next step was to install a mobile platform, fixed with ropes at the top of the furnace. On this platform we placed a robot to break out the refractory, which was also evacuated through the opening. After the dismantling, followed the erection. In the hearth of the furnace, the tap hole area was renewed with carbon bricks. Beyond this, the Terriere area was built up with ceramic bricks following the new brickwork according to our new design. Parallel to refractory erection, new cooling boxes were placed, aligned, and welded. Furthermore, we placed 160 new thermocouples to monitor the furnace process and wear of the refractory. The cooperation with our customer occurred without any problems. In this way, we could finish the project successfully and in time. With the revamping of the blast furnace, a long life and safe operation of the blast furnace is ensured.